Okay, this would be part 4, but I kind of cheated. I already got it started already, but here's why I wouldn't start. The other glue plug was wet. I changed that, but then I had to play with this screw I was playing with before. I turned it all the way back and then turned it back till it started, so it was way off down here. And you got to start it, but now, watch, I do it with one hand now because it'll start right up. And the key's off, the battery's off, and that's off. So it should start up by itself now. Now watch. 2.5 tracks is more. Man, that stuff stinks. Oh yeah, she runs. It's still a bit off down here. I have to play with it for a minute and see why that is. But take a look at all that shit that came out of the exhaust anyway. I took it over. I unplugged it several times and cranked it over slow when it started, as you saw. Now, I'm going to adjust this more to the right. And we'll start it again. See if it gets any better. Stick this back on there. Let me get up so it's loaded up in my face. And we'll start it again. Not quite. Turn a little more to the right. Try again. Might be getting it off down here now. Give a little gas. Maybe we need to go back up. Let's go back up. Left more. Crank it. So we'll get onto the Sweet. That's working good. Fuck this. Oh, yeah. So, just had to hold the gas down. I started now, but she works great. Now, at a 74 year, it runs. I get it running eventually. So, just had to play with it. There she is. Traxxas T Maxx with the body. Piece of crap. working real good. Sweet.